Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking these out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, quickly. If you are joining me for the first time and you have any question, okay, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, so guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15 minutes time frame and I'm using the 3M Train Milka trading indicator. It is a custom made indicator and it makes it very easy for us to analyze the assets. Okay, so this actually started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. You can see this switching from an uptrend into a downtrend, and it has been selling since then. Okay, for those that are having the trading tool, should have started around there and they should be in big profit right now. Okay, for those of us in the Telegram channel, you should also be in big profits right now because I dropped this signal also in the Telegram channel and it is still selling. Okay, so this is so amazing. So guys, for GainX 1200, it is going to be more selling than buying. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is GainX 999, and of course, just the way we are saying this, okay, this actually broke out. Okay, earlier in the morning, if you had been following up with my videos, I told you that this particular our asset has been moving within this channel, okay, and it broke out below it at this point, and of course, to give us a good entry point for a sell signal. And of course, you can see if you followed up with the video, then definitely you should be in profit right now, big profits. Okay, most especially if you're having this trading tool, you should be in big profit right now. So that's so amazing. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below the next support zone. That is when it to change the direction of the trend. So you should also have that at the back of your mind, okay, because that can change any moment. Okay, so because it is at the support zone already. Okay, so this is very very important. Now let's move on to PayNext 1200. So guys, this is PayNext 1200, and this has been on a very strong uptrend. It started the uptrend somewhere around there, just like I have explained in the morning, gave us an uptrend signal, a buy signal, and of course, if you're having this trading tool, I'm very sure you should be in big profit right now, and this is still buying at the moment. Okay, if it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone, then definitely it will switch from an uptrend into a downtrend. Okay, so we should take note of that. So this is still buying at the moment, even though it might not be for long if it is unable to break out above the next resistance zone. So you should have that at the back of your mind also. Okay, now the next asset is going to be PayNext 999. This is PayNext 999, and of course, I explained this in the morning. This actually started a downtrend right from here. For those that are still following up with this signal, you are in the profit already, okay? But it got to this region, had a pullback and played around there for a while. I highlighted this region in the morning that if it should break out above it, it's most likely for it to get to this resistance. We are most likely to find it breaking out below it because there are so many opportunities down there. Okay, so this is very very important. So you can see it has not been able to break out above it, so it has given us a sell signal again and a downtrend. So probably it's going to sell till it gets to this lower part of the channel, and hopefully this time around probably it's going to break out below it. If it breaks out below it, then good for us. It's going to be a very big selling opportunity for us. But if it's unable to break out below it, it will move up, well, move up again to check out the upper part of the channel again. So this is very, very important. Okay, so let's see how it works. But for now, it is selling, and of course, we can really say it is really going on downtrend fully once it breaks out below this. Okay, so we should look out for that. Okay, so this is selling at the moment. Okay, now next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and just where we have seen this, these also have been playing within the upper part and the lower part of the channel, moving in this form. Okay, I liked this region, and I said once it breaks out from there, it's going to buy, but I didn't know that it's going to break out above the upper part of the channel. It broke out above it to get to another resistance. It has not been able to break out from there, so started a downtrend. And of course, the lower part of the channel will be the first target. And of course, if it breaks out below it, then definitely we are in for more selling opportunity. But if it does not, it will go back up and try out this particular upper part of the channel again. But for now, it is selling, guys, so you should take note of that. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.